Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and today I'm here with my first Halloween makeup look for 2020. I'm really sorry I couldn't really film an intro because I was so sick that day that I couldn't even film that small part. I was feeling so bad. So today's look is inspired by the game Among Us. So basically I have been obsessed with this game for the past month, so I really wanted to do something that is inspired by the game, so I came up with this look. And basically what I'm doing here is I painted the half of my face black, and it's going to look like that half of my face is cracked and the inside is the game Among Us. Now with some white paint, I am outlining those characters, I guess players. Here I am drawing an imposter. I'm also drawing a ghost, a player who died, a dead body, and now I'm adding some stars. It's basically the background of the game when you first log into the game, so yeah. Now I'm painting those characters, players, I don't know how you say it, and yeah, some blue, pink, blue, green, dead body, orange, red is the sus here. And again, taking the black paint, I'm outlining those characters. Here I'm applying different sizes of rhinestones on top of the stars so that it looks really shiny and pretty once you're in the dark. Now taking the Inglot gel eyeliner, I'm going to create a really dramatic winged eyeliner, and I'm also doing kind of like a graphic liner with this. I don't know what to call this. Now taking the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette, first taking the purple glitter, I'm applying it on the outer corners of the wing. Now taking this duochrome pink glitter, and lastly I'm taking the green glitter and I'm applying it on top of the eyeliner. And on my lower lashes, I'm applying a duochrome orange and golden glitter. And I'm adding some lashes. These, if you're wondering, I bought this from Prettyfly. I'm not sure about the exact style of this. And that's it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I promise that the next look is going to be talked through. I'm going to be interacting with you guys, and I'm sure we'll have a great time. So yeah, thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.